Here are my 5 tips how to get rid of diarrhea. So if you find yourself in this situation, whether it's an acute thing, it's just happening right now, or it's a chronic issue for you in terms of your gut health and having chronic diarrhea, these 5 tips are going to help you. And of course, there are a lot of causes of diarrhea. Definitely getting your microbiome healthier is going to be one of your main goals to eradicate that diarrhea. Okay, here's tip number 1 is to have more fiber. So fiber, what it does is it will help with holding the water. Often with diarrhea, there's too much water and that's why things are flushing through. That fiber is going to help to hold onto that water, bulking up the stool and eliminating that diarrhea. Tip number 2 is to think about the unwanted organisms that may be in your gut microbiome, and that's where I have a protocol, and this is called CABO, my favorite herbal medicines. It's an acronym for cloves, artemisia, black walnut, and oregano, and the whole plant of oregano. Really effective at killing off the unwanted bugs in the gut, and that candida as well that could be there, but also really effective at doing this, 3 or 4 times a year to keep that microbiome healthy and in a good balance. Okay, tip number 3 for that diarrhea is to also follow up that CABO protocol with a full body detox. And this means detoxifying, and don't be scared of the word detox because you're thinking, okay, I've got diarrhea, I don't want to be flushing things out more. No, sometimes diarrhea is an indication that that toxic load has manifest and now you've got too much toxins and the body's trying to eradicate things all at once through the digestive tract. By doing a full body detox in the right way, and I have a specific protocol with very specific herbal medicines that are used in combination with one another to help to eliminate that toxic load, helping to gently move those toxins through, making those major emunctories, your major internal organs, much more efficient at detoxification. And this is going to target your liver, your lungs, your digestive tract, your kidneys, your skin, our biggest external detoxer, as well as our lymphatic system and our blood. Okay, tip number 4 is to put the good guys back in. So when you've done some of that cleansing and used the CABO, you've got to put the good guys back in, your probiotics. My favorite strains are Lactobacillus acidophilus and Bifidobacterium bifidum, as well as spending more time outside. This is where a lot of us get it wrong in terms of, yes, dietary changes would be a good thing, but at the same time, we have to make sure that we are going outside into a natural environment where we are picking up, of course, those healthy microorganisms from the outside to help to inoculate our inside. Okay, tip number 5 for that diarrhea is to get more natural sunlight exposure, and especially exposing your abdomen to natural sunlight. Now this is remarkable because your gut microbiome is very light sensitive, and your clock mechanisms that you have in your brain and your other internal organs and in your digestive tract as well, they need to be in sync with the light and dark cycle of the day. And this is where a lot of people, in terms of circadian biology, your system is messed up because you're under artificial light all day, which is high in that blue light wavelength, as well as disrupting, and having blue light on at night past dark. This is going to disrupt your circadian rhythms. Not getting outside enough under full spectrum light from the sun really does mess up your clock mechanisms and your circadian rhythms, and that can really have a bad effect on your gut health and your gut microbiome. Now, I've got more natural tips how to get rid of those bad gut bugs. I want you to check out another video that I have, 5 tips to get rid of bad gut bugs. I'll see you there.